In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable multi-chart synchronization on TradingView for an enhanced, streamlined trading experience. If you're juggling multiple charts and want to ensure that they all stay in harmony, this guide is precisely what you need. Let's dive right in. First, we're going to open the multi-chart layout to keep everything in view. Head over to the top bar and click on the Select Layout button. From here, you'll have a selection of layouts that incorporate multiple charts. Select the one that best suits your needs. This setup is key to wrapping your head around multiple data streams at once. Once you've got your multi-chart layout active, it's time to enable sync options. This can be done effortlessly, starting with the symbol and interval sync. Move your cursor over to the chart and locate the chart syncing button. This button often appears as an emoji within the status line or the series context menu. By selecting this, you can ensure that any changes to the symbol or interval of one chart are immediately reflected in others. Next, we'll address syncing the date range. Return to the Select Layout menu to find the Sync in Layout section and enable the Date Range option. This makes sure all your charts display data for the same time period, giving you a more cohesive view of market trends. For a more nuanced visual alignment, we have the Crosshair Sync option. If you're using the desktop app, navigate back to the Select Layout menu and toggle on the Crosshair Sync option. This will keep your cursor's position consistent across all charts, a fantastic way to pinpoint specific data points. Creating sync groups for symbol and interval is straightforward. Click on the Chart Syncing button found in the chart's status line or series context menu and apply an emoji. This emoji effectively tags your chart. To bring more charts into the fold, apply the same emoji to them. All charts sharing this emoji will now sync seamlessly. Now, let's talk about synchronizing your drawings, which is just as important for maintaining consistency across your analyses. In multi-chart mode, activate drawing synchronization by clicking the button on the left panel. You'll have two distinct options here. Sync in Layout will synchronize your drawing objects across all charts currently visible in your layout. Alternatively, Sync Globally extends the synchronization across all of your layouts and devices, assuming you have autosave enabled. For those who want more control, you can right-click a specific drawing tool and opt for either Sync in Layout or Sync Globally from its context menu. With these steps, your TradingView experience should now be far more fluid and integrated, ensuring all your charts stay connected and current. Happy trading, and I hope this walkthrough elevates your trading strategies to new